Welcome back to Side Hustles from Canada. In today's video, I'm sharing my mobile screen, and here you can see I have received another $3. This game is a game changer actually, and here you can see I have received $6, $10, $3, and now another $3. And I will share my emails with you as a proof that this app is not a scam. It's a legit app and it actually pay you. I have received $22 in the last 10 days, and here you can see. If you love playing games as much as I do, you are going to love this video. I've been trying different apps to make money by playing games for a long time. I have probably tested almost all the apps out there. While most of them they are legit, they do pay you, but this app is so far the fastest way to earn money while having fun. This app is offering so many games, and here you can see. You can start with the easiest games. Focus on games that offer highest points. The best part of this app is you don't have to watch an ad like other apps uh, for like 35 seconds after every few minutes. You have to watch an ad only when you lose a game. So the better you play, the fastest you earn. When I started playing this app, I wasn't sure if it would work, but within 2 hours, I made my first $3 and it was so exciting. And that's what got me hooked. This app is a game changer and it's packed with fun games to action games. There were a couple of challenges. Some of the games weren't compatible with my phone. I had to free up storage space for a few times. I delete apps that I don't use, and sometimes if I ever want them back, I just download them again from the Play Store. This is my favorite game and it's one of the most easiest game and one of the most addictive game. It's way too simple. Every single time when you sign up for a new game on this app, it will give you some extra bonuses and few challenges, and you will love it. Here you can track your progress. When you request your first payout, the app will ask you to verify that you are a human. It will prompt you to open your camera and record a short video. Once it's done, they will need your PayPal, and then that's how you will receive your first payment. This is another fun game. Many games they will ask you to purchase things. I made $22 without purchasing anything so far, and I'm still playing this game. So if you are good in playing, you don't need to buy things. If you lose life in any game, you can wait for the refill. This is another exciting game. Here you can play with other players. Trafficscape is another game. It's a very funny and short game. You can also find some very famous games on this app. They are offering Lords Mobile. You can play this game on your desktop as well. They are also offering Midas Merge, Mahjong, Solitaire, Alibaba.com. Personally, I don't like Alibaba.com. It's quite a boring game and they do not offer much bonuses. As I told you, my mobile is not compatible for few games. They are offering Gardenscapes. They are offering Monopoly, and they are also offering, as I told you, Midas Merge. One of my friend, she played all of those games and she made a very good money out of those games. So if your mobile is not an Android mobile like mine one, maybe you can play those games and you can earn more money by this app. So now it's time to reveal the name of that app. That app is Playtimes and you can download it from Google Play Store. You can sign up with your email or Google account, and every time you want to play a new game, you have to download that game and make sure your mobile have some extra space. I'm these days I have found another app and I'm just as excited. I will be making a video on that app. It's not a gaming app. You have to watch the reels and you have to like those reels and you have to share those reels on your Facebook account with your friends and your followers, and that's how you can make money. So I will share the link of that app on in the comment section. If you're interested in making some more cash, some extra cash, you can use that link and you can download that app from the Google Play Store. And in the comment section, please let me know that what are your favorite games on playtime and how much money you made by playing this app. I hope you liked today's video, and if you like my channel, you can subscribe my channel as well, and you can like my video as well, and you can share this video with your loved one as well. Thank you for watching.